Hey, this is David, and today I'm going to show you how to test the thermal cutoff on an electric Whirlpool dryer that is not heating. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself regular community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. In today's video, we are going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a putty knife, a multimeter, a 20 Torx bit, and lastly, a Phillips head screwdriver. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug that power cord before you do any work on your appliances. To get to the thermal cutoff, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 console screws from the back. Once the screws are removed, lift up on the control panel to uncover the 3/4-inch screws that need to be removed. Once the 3/4-inch screws are removed, slide the top panel forward and up to reveal the top of the drum. Next, you need to unplug your door switch. Using a putty knife, push in on the 2 clips and remove the access panel. Now, remove your dryer vent duct by removing the 3/4-inch screws surrounding the duct. Once the duct is off, remove the 2 springs located on the bottom corners of your dryer. Once the springs are removed, go ahead and remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the door panel. Now go to the top of the door panel and remove the 2 20-bit Torx screws. Now lift up on the front panel and it should come up. Reach under the drum and release the belt from the idler pulley. Then use the drum belt to lift the drum out of the cabinet. Let's take a look at the thermal cutoff. You can find it on the side of the heating element metal case, behind the high limit thermostat, which is the part closest to you. The thermal cutoff will open up at about 360 degrees Fahrenheit, usually due to a shorted heating element. Pull one of the wires off. Then set your multimeter to continuity and touch the 2 terminals. If there's no continuity, you will need to replace the thermal cutoff. It usually comes in a kit with a new high limit thermostat, so you can replace both parts at the same time. Once you're done, reinstall the drum and drum belt, reattach the belt to the pulley, then the front panel with the door switch. Then go to the bottom and connect your door springs. From there, you want to install the blower housing vent, the bottom access panel. Then you want to go back to the top to put the top panel back on and then secure the console. And don't forget to plug your dryer back in. If your thermal cutoff is defective, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can fix it yourself. Most orders arrive in just a few days, and we've got thousands of videos to make installation a breeze. We also want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.